Hi everyone, it's Susan here and welcome to my channel. On today's Thrifty Thursday, I'm going to be sharing some awesome stuff that I got at a thrift store over the weekend. This collaboration is hosted by Sheree over at Turquoise Dreaming, and I will have her link below. And the hashtag where you can see other videos like this is hashtag Thrifty Thursday. So, let's see. I'm just going to move that to the side just a little bit. I ended up putting everything into a tray because I had so much stuff I couldn't carry it. That's pretty bad, right? Okay, now you're going to say, now why the heck would she spend money on a jar, right? It's because, well, it was $1. And I have been looking for something just like this to put my tea when I tea dye fabrics and lace and stuff. I like to keep the actual water with the tea, the brewed tea water, for a good week. And I thought if I had this, I could easily pour it in here and put it away, or at least, move back on my counter so that I don't have this tray on my counter for a week. So that was my thought process when I saw that. And the next time I do, when I make my when I do my next tea dyeing, I'm thinking about doing a video to show you guys how I do it because it's so easy. It's super easy. Okay, so I got a lot of different, like the linen napkins and stuff like that today. So there are 3 of these in here in this particular package. They came together and they were $2. So the 3 of them were $2. And yeah, so even like right now I have my tea water on the counter. So I'm going to like take one of these right, oh, there's 4 of them. I'm going to take one of these right away and throw it in there and get one tea dyed for sure. So that is that. And so that was 4 napkins for $2. So this package I really liked because it had assorted napkins. So 5 assorted linen napkins for $3. So they're just different. And I really liked that about it because, well, I'm getting I'm getting different stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Oh, wow, that's big. That's gotta be, I don't know, 20 inches or 24 inches by 24 inches. It's huge. Yeah, I'll be tearing that in half and putting some into the tea dye. And then there's 3 of these. And this was all in one little baggie. So these have a little bit of embroidery. And again, these were for $3. Now this package, I really love the napkins. I just do. I don't know. I like the size of them. I like that they're linen and that you can tear it and get a wonderful frayed edge. You can tea dye them. Sometimes there's lace on the ends or edges, and it's just they can be beautiful. I think they're very versatile, so I like them a lot. So this pack had 9 of the linen napkins for $5. So I have 9 of these. Now this I don't have to put in the tea dye because, well, it already looks tea dyed. So really super, super cool. So I have 9 of these, and I'm still hemming and hawing about opening up an Etsy shop. I don't know what to do. I really don't. I don't know. Did I say that enough times? Okay, in the Christmas section, I love Christmas. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Like I've been working on my December daily for like a month and a half already. And but anyways, they have a huge section for Christmas at this one thrift store. And so I got these for 50 cents. And they even had the bigger bows, but I like the little ones. I think that I can use a couple in my December daily. So this ribbon was, I don't know how much they charged me for this, like 30 cents or 40 cents or something. But it has, can you see? It has like almost sparkle in it. You can see it, but it doesn't come off. It's nothing like that, but it's a beautiful, beautiful lace. Yeah, so that was good. So I was happy to get that. This was in a bag, excuse me, with different laces that are ribbons that have the wire on the edges, and it said 50 cents for each piece. So I know that this was supposed to be 50 cents, but I don't think they charged me 50 cents. And the reason I got this, I have a real reason to even use this already. So yeah, next week's Tag Tuesday, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I don't know, we'll see. And then this, which I didn't realize was an apron with the bib on the top, was $4. But I thought it was napkins, but it doesn't matter. Obviously, it's Christmas, so it is a beautiful apron. I mean, it's gorgeous. So now I have to decide, well, am I going to use it as an apron or am I going to cut it? I don't know, but I just thought that this was so pretty. And wouldn't it look beautiful in a December daily album? So I don't know. We will see. Okay, these two were $1 each. And I really like the color in these napkins. They're cloth, obviously. They have the fringe, but they're like I don't know, they can either go very shabby or very grungy very easily. And I think that they're going to tear nicely, and I think that they are quite beautiful. So that's that. Now this I really didn't need. I really did not need, because last weekend I got these humongous curtains that are lace, and yeah, but I just couldn't resist. So this is a 68-inch round tablecloth for $5, and I just think it's beautiful. And this is going to get cut up and used. I don't know how it will get cut up and used, but it will. And yeah, so that was $5. There were a couple things. I do have some books I want to get to, but just real quick here. A couple things, they have like a little free box, and I grabbed two things out of it. I liked this calendar, not because it's for next year, but because the pictures are just really beautiful. So that's why I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed this little New Testament, and with Psalms and Proverbs. So I didn't get it to read it because I have a lot of Bibles. I have no problem with that. I bought it to actually tear the pages out and to use them in my projects. So hopefully nobody has like a major problem with me doing that. I think some people do, and that's fine. That's fine. You do you, right? We all do ourselves. All right, so now here are some books. So they, I've been to this thrift store before, and for whatever reason, their book area, which is quite large, I never noticed before. I noticed the books in the kids section, but not the books they're actually by the Christmas stuff. So that's probably why I never saw it, because I can't take my eyes off the Christmas stuff. But for 10 cents each, I got these. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I mean, I got this because, well, I kind of remember maybe having this as a child. I don't know. I mean, they're not good. It's not like, they're in perfect condition or anything. 1974. So maybe, no, this was after I was a child. I don't know. But I got them. They're cute. I'll figure out something to do with them. I'm not super into the little golden books. I don't know. I think I have like one other one. I don't know. I'm just not. Maybe if and when I open an Etsy shop, I would sell them. I don't know. Who knows? All right. So as you can see, I bought a few books. You know what? That's too high. Let me do one at a time. This one was $1. And of course, it was by the Christmas stuff. And I just thought it would be a lot of fun to cut out some of these pictures, right? Even if it's not, well, that like certain things would be definitely for Christmas, but other things not necessarily. Things that just look pretty, right? Look at how pretty. I mean, it says Merry Christmas, and that looks Christmassy, but not all of them do. But so what if they do? And I don't know. I just thought that the pictures were super pretty in this. And for $1, and the fact that it's Christmas, I am not passing it up. I just can't. It's like, it's just not in me to pass something like that up. Now, this one, also $1. This is a big book. The reason I got this book, you're going to think is maybe a little bit weird, but I was looking for a large size book, and this one is 11 by 8.5. And because I want it for the pages to put into journals and to tea dye, and I didn't want paper that had the glossy cover of it, right? So they're not glossy. So these are not glossy like most big books are. And I thought, now this page is glossy. This right here is, the picture is. But this paper is not glossy, and I think it'll tea dye nicely, and it will even go into a journal nicely, folded in half this way. And the fact that it has like this blue print, it's not black. So anyways, I figure, what the heck? Let me grab that. Now this one was also $1. And wait until you see the pictures in this. You ready? Oh my gosh. Look at the pictures. They are amazing. Could they be any more colorful? So that's why I got this, because I just thought, like when I do like collaging, like, well, I do different kinds of collaging, but sometimes I like to use photos and then like from magazines and go from there. And look at how cute, like really. So that's why I got this one, because it is just full of color, and I love color, and I had to get it for $1. And I thought I would use that a lot. Now this one was $5. This book is huge, huge. It is, and it weighs a ton. Oh my gosh, so that's 12. It's probably about 15 inches by, I don't know, 10.5. It weighs a ton. Obviously, it's Christmas. It's all about the Christmas. So you're not going to be able to the whole, you know, the whole picture, but you will get an idea for what is in here. Like, look at how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So this is one of those books that I don't know if I'll ever be able to actually cut because I think it's so beautiful. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So anyways, this was $5 and I couldn't resist. I could not resist. Yep. So that was like my big splurge of the day. So that's all the stuff that I got at the thrift store. And I only spent like $34, so I did really well. But I want to show you one more thing. I got this at Five Below, so it was $5. And I'll tell you the reason why I got it. So obviously it's a sketch pad, but the pages I think are going to tea dye really, really, really well. So to have 80 papers in here, because a lot of times I will tea dye my printer paper, which is fine. But this is 9 by 12, so it's bigger. And it just looked like it would really hold tea, the tea dye really nicely. So that was my other purchase of the day. So that is it. So definitely go and look in my description box below and go over and tell Sheree that I said I sent you over there, and say hi, send her some love. Go ahead and like her video and all that fun stuff. And yeah, so I don't know if I will be doing Thrifty Thursday again next week, or I'm thinking I might just need to stay out of the stores for just a little bit. That's kind of what I'm thinking at the moment, but I don't know. We'll see. So this is my haul. And Sheree, thank you so much for allowing me to participate. It's a ton of fun, and I enjoy watching everyone's videos. If you would like to see more videos like this, or how I use all these awesome things, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.